Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you a dark black kajal at home, which is lead free and with no chemicals, which is available on the market. This kajal is smudge free as it will stay on your eye for a longer period. So let's begin. Firstly, we need a diya. Next, I am adding 4 cotton balls in it. Now I am adding ghee, pure ghee into it, and it will cover all the cotton into this. Now I will light this diya. Now I will place 2 glass like this and the steel plate on the top of it like this. Now you can see it act as a stand. Keep it for 1 hour. Now after 1 hour my kajal is ready. As you can see that, scrap it out, you will get the kajal powder. It's very easy to do this and it's very inexpensive. Now take out in a container. Now I am taking this container, adding few drops of coconut oil, 2 to 3 drops, and aloe vera gel. Now I am adding kajal powder in it. Mix it well. Now my black kajal smudge free is ready to use. As you can see that my kajal is ready to use. It's smudge free. Hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also press the bell icon for the new update. Till then, bye bye.